Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how you get rid of useless facial hair in easier way at home. Most females have vellus hair on the face, but some may have more terminal chin hair. This can be due to genetics or age. Menopause can trigger more chin or neck or facial hair. But you don't need to still worry about that. In this video I want to show you how you get rid of extra hair from your face. To make this magical remedy, we will need few useful things such as turmeric powder. Natural chemicals in turmeric help to stop or slow hair growth. Using a turmeric mask or scrub help to weaken the hair root and to mechanically pull hair out of the skin. Next one is baking soda. Baking soda is a type of salt. It contains small observation crystal. Human hair is delicate, so when these crystals come into the contact with the hair, then may tear its fibers. That leads to breakage and split end. Now we can make this magical remedy. Firstly, we need turmeric powder. Simply we just add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into the container. The next one ingredient is baking soda. We just add 1½ teaspoon of baking soda into the container. And in the last we need hot water as an ingredient. We just add 1 cup of hot water into the mixture. Now mix it well. And the remedy is ready to use. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe this channel for further amazing video in future. Thank you.